Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you'll be the first one to know about it. So for today, I'll be showing you guys another app that is actually paying you to watch video. When you are watching art, you are watching video, they will be paying you. So this is the app. You click on it. Those of you that will be finding it difficult to download it, just type this name there. You will see the app will come outside. So you click on it. We allow it to load. You can see it. The main thing you need here is the coin. The coin is the money here. You see, it is very easy to get the coin. It is very easy to play the game. So let me first show you about it. You see, when you click on this coin here, you can see the dashboard, you can see everything. If you have 100,000 coin, it is 10 cents. If you have 500,000 coin, it is 50 cents. If you have 1 million coin, it is $1. 5 million coin, it is $5. Are you a stay-at-home or are you a business person that is looking for a means to make money online? This is another one. You can try this one and it's paying here. Confirm the payment. Not before we drop something here, we normally do confirm the payment. See, this one we place the withdrawal and the withdrawal came, it was successful directly to our paper. So for this account is not my own account, this is my husband's account. So you see it, you can see everything. You choose, you can be gathering the coin here. When you now have like 5 million coin, you want to go for the $5, you can as well go for the $5. So let me go back. If you click on play, your own is just to watch ad for free. Let's allow the ad to load. The network is bad.
差不多了，那你帮我别这个衣服吧。
行。
You cancel this, please. You see, the thing will be increasing. You only just be watching ad. It's ad that you came here to watch. Let me show you again. The network is just misbehaving. You see, you watch ad again. Then you cancel it. See this place where they put this small arrow there, you cancel it. You cancel. You see what I'm doing? You just be doing this, all this one. It's not hard to play, it's very easy. You want to watch ad or you want to play game, this is just what you'll be doing. You see it? You see the coin they have given me? They will say watch out to get more. So let's watch another person. I want just to allow the ad to play. Click on this next. Click on it. I don't know what's wrong with it. The network is bad. Just cancel it. Then if you want to go again, you can go again. You can be going again. You just be clicking it, get more. You'll be getting enough coin. But because sake of this video, let me just collect this one. You see it has added. That's just how it is. So there's no other thing here to explain. The diamond, you don't need. Give it a try and tell me how it is. I love you guys. Bye.